Imagine the ground shaking as two muscle cars roar down the strip, locked in a high-speed duel. The engines scream, tires smoke, and for a few seconds, nothing else matters. That's the world of the National Muscle Car Association, or NMCA. It's where modern horsepower meets old-school American muscle. From vintage Camaros to supercharged Mustangs, this isn't just racing, it's war on wheels. It's fast, loud, and packed with raw adrenaline. And if you love cars with serious power and personality, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is NMCA, and why do thousands of fans show up to watch these races? Let's hit the gas and dive into one of America's most thrilling motorsport scenes. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the NMCA. We'll explore its origins, how it works, who races there, and why it matters. You'll hear about the highs, the heartbreaks, and the unbelievable speeds on display. We'll answer questions like, what kinds of cars race in NMCA? What makes it different from NHRA or street racing? And how can a regular car lover actually get involved? Whether you're a die-hard gearhead or just discovering drag racing, this story will grab you. Stick around till the end. We'll even share some iconic moments that changed NMCA history. This is more than racing. It's a celebration of American horsepower culture. The National Muscle Car Association, or NMCA, is one of the top drag racing organizations in the U.S. It focuses on muscle cars, both classic and modern, and brings them head-to-head on the drag strip. Founded in 1988, it started as a way to give muscle car enthusiasts a place to compete legally and fairly. Over the years, it's grown into a full national series with multiple events each season. It's not just for professionals, many racers are weekend warriors or passionate amateurs. You'll see everything from factory-built monsters to hand-built garage beasts. The races happen on certified tracks, with strict safety rules and intense competition. And every event feels like a festival, filled with car shows, vendors, and family fun. So while the racing is serious, the vibe is welcoming. One of the coolest things about NMCA is the variety of cars that compete. You've got old-school legends, like the '69 Chevelle SS, and modern beasts like the Dodge Challenger Hellcat. There are naturally aspirated cars, turbocharged setups, nitrous-powered rockets, you name it. Each car is placed in a class based on performance, engine type, weight, and more. Classes include Extreme Street, Pro Mod, Factory Supercars, and NA 10.5, among others. Factory Supercars, for example, are street-legal cars modified by companies like Ford and Dodge. They look like cars you might see in a dealership, but they run the quarter mile in 8 seconds. The diversity makes every race unique and unpredictable, and it keeps fans on the edge of their seats. So, how do NMCA races actually work? Each event runs over a weekend, usually with qualifying rounds on Friday and Saturday. Drivers compete to post their best times and earn positions on the elimination ladder. Then on Sunday, it's go time. Single elimination races until a winner is crowned. Races are timed electronically, measuring everything from reaction time to speed at the finish. A perfect launch and clean shift can mean the difference between victory and defeat. There's no room for error. Red light starts and mechanical failures can end a weekend instantly. The final rounds are always intense, especially when top drivers go head-to-head. It's drag racing at its most exciting and accessible. What really sets NMCA apart is the community. Yes, it's a competition, but it feels like a family reunion for gearheads. Drivers help each other between rounds, swapping parts and sharing tools. Fans mingle with racers, ask questions, and even walk through the pits to see cars up close. There are car shows, swap meets, and even kids' activities. At most events, people camp out for the weekend and make memories with friends and family. Many racers return year after year, not just to win, but to connect. That mix of competition and camaraderie is rare in motorsports today, and it's a big reason why NMCA keeps growing. Over the years, NMCA has seen some incredible drivers and unforgettable races. Names like Billy Glidden, Jamie Stanton, and Mike Murillo have become legends in the series. You'll see Pro Mod monsters running insane times and street-legal cars breaking records. Some of the wildest moments come from underdog wins, like backyard-built cars defeating factory giants. In 2021, the Factory Supercar Finals saw a photo finish between a Mustang Cobra Jet and a Copo Camaro. The crowd went absolutely wild. It was pure drag racing drama. Every season, there's at least one jaw-dropping moment that goes viral online. It's not just about speed, it's about heart hustle and high stakes. That's what makes NMCA racing so fun to follow. Now let's answer a few common questions about NMCA racing. Can anyone race? Yes. If your car meets the safety and performance rules, you can compete. Do you need a pro-level team? Not at all. Many racers are solo or come with a couple of friends. Is it safe? Vary. The NMCA follows NHRA-sanctioned safety standards and requires inspections. How fast are the fastest cars? Some pro mods run in the 3-second range over 1/8 mile. How do you get started? Start small. Go to an event, ask questions, join a forum, and build your car gradually. What's the cost? It varies, but NMCA offers entry-level classes that won't break the bank. And finally, is it fun? Absolutely. It's addictive in the best way. Like any racing series, NMCA has its ups and downs. There are moments of pure glory when everything goes right and you take home the win. Then there are days when your engine blows, your tire slips, or you lose by 0.001 seconds. Some racers invest everything they've got, money, time, even relationships, to chase a win. It's not always glamorous, but it's always real. Fans feel that energy too. It's what makes the victory so emotional. When a rookie beats a champion or someone runs a personal best, it lights up the whole track. But even in the lows, there's respect, because everyone knows how hard it is. That's the drama and beauty of grassroots drag racing. So why should you care about the NMCA? Because it's not just about who crosses the finish line first, it's about passion, power, and perseverance. It's about honoring America's muscle car legacy while pushing it into the future. It's affordable, it's exciting, and best of all, it's real. No scripted drama, no million-dollar egos, just racers and their machines going all out for glory. If you love the sound of V8s and the smell of burnt rubber, this is your scene. Go check out a race in person or dive into the NMCA YouTube archives. And next time you see a muscle car roll by, remember, there's a whole world behind that engine.